Welcome to Legal Dilemmas, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. My name is Brenda.
My name's Safina.
Today's question from viewer Safina is, when somebody's arrested at the police station, how long can they be detained for?
It's a very good question, and the length of time that the police can detain you will inevitably depend upon the offence that you are there for and also the circumstances of the case to start with.
Okay, so can you be kept in there for hours, days?
Well, there are standard detention time limits, so the police can hold you for up to 24 hours without charge for questioning. They can extend that period for up to 36 hours by a senior officer of a rank of a superintendent who can authorise an extension for a serious offence. So it could be, just recently I had one where it was extended to 36 hours for a very serious GBH matter. And the police were still taking interviews, so they weren't in a position to proceed to interview. That can also be extended up to 96 hours through a application before the magistrate's court, and they can approve that further detention for a further period for serious offence. For example, murder is a very serious offence.
Okay, so the police can extend up to 36 hours with a senior officer. So I'm thinking about the cases that you see on the television when there's an ongoing investigation, and you normally hear on the news that an application has been made to the court. So is 96 hours the maximum?
Well, for terrorism offences, it's longer, but we're not going to get into that because it's a lot more complicated and it's on a case-by-case basis. But it is 96 hours. And within that period, the police should know whether they're going to proceed to charge you, because they would hopefully have interviewed within that period, or they will release you without a charge because they find that they've got not enough evidence, or, they will, if it's terrorism or something extremely serious, they could try and apply for a further period of detention. But I mean, generally, Brenda, it would be a release with charge and a remand in custody where you would be appearing before the court, or you would be released and charged, or you would be released with no charge.
Thank you. Hopefully that answers an interesting topic. Please like, subscribe, share and have your notifications on to Legal Dilemmas to hear more great legal content.